What's up, everyone? Um, this is case project 3-6. I'm going to do a little different. So I already have my screens made or designed. So I'm showing you the layouts right now. You need a theme for this. I have the no action bar, the halo light no action bar. And I went to my styles and I changed that as well. I have my strings, my spinner with these two items. And so now I'm gonna go ahead and just do the coding aspect of it. So screen 1 needs to go to screen 2. So we do button 1 equals button find by ID r dot ID dot button 1. Then we in here now. So then we do button 1 dot set on click listener new view. There you go. Okay, so we have button 1, and now we want it to go to the new one. Okay, so we're going to do start activity new intent. There you go. Main activity dot this comma its main to activity. There you go. Okay, so we could test this out by just running the app. We have Piggy Bank children's app, no title bar, a picture, and a click here button. So we click here, and then we have this, which is cool. So now we can start coding this part of the screen, and this is where it gets fun. So let's make some room here in the override, the on create, and here we're going to have some stuff too. Alright, so here we're going to have numbers. Okay, so we have that, and then we're going to have a double total. What else are we going to have? Right now I can't think of anything else, so we're good. Oh, we're going to have a string. And the string is going to be called text result. Why not? Okay. Actually, group choice. Okay. So we got that done. So now we could go here to the button, some finals. So we have final edits, edit text, and then we're going to have just, our things. Now we need to do the button. We could do that, because that goes into, yeah, we're going to do button now. So we do button, calculate, equals button. There you go. Define. There you go. And then r.id dot. There you go, right here. Okay, so we have that. So now we can do calculate dot set on click listener. Okay, so we're gonna do final text view result equals edit text, I think. Nope. Text view. Geez. Text view. Find view ID r.id text result. Boop. Okay, sweet. So now we go inside what happens when we press the button. So we're going to do total. I was wondering if I had it. Equals. You know what? We got to parse this stuff now. Yeah, you know what? So I bet you if I do this, I'll do int num of nickels. Num of times. Okay. Num of nickels. Okay. I don't know why I put double. Oh, I know why, because I was going to do a... There you go. Okay. So we did that, and I'm just going to copy this. We do one big line. we do total equals, and then we do like these stuff. So we do number of nickels, number of dimes, times dime, penny, nickels, times nickel. And then boop, boop. That's long. Okay, so we have the totals. And we gotta do a decimal format. That decimal format. And then currency, put its currency equals new decimal format. And then we $, some hashtags. Okay, so we got decimal format and then currency. Does not go there. And then group choice equals group, but I didn't name a group, which means I didn't even put it here. So we got to add the spinner next. So group choice equals, and then I'm gonna do here spinner dot get selected item dot toString. Close it, and then we do result, and that equals. We actually set it to set text, and then we're gonna set it. So let me think about this. What's up, guys? We're back. I had to take a couple of days off to do some homework and stuff, but so I'm doing this right now in the AM, and I'm just still trying to figure this out. So I updated my Android Studio. All right, so let's see. So we're gonna do group choice plus this. So what we could do to kind of make it make sense is we would go to string, which I already have here. Whoops. Okay, and then spinner, saving it. So what you could do is just do that, add the space here. That way you don't have to. So then you will space group plus spin save. Alright, so let's see if that works. Whoops. Save. Alright. You will save $4. Okay, so it works. Alright. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.